Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Lightroom. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. And inside this, on the search bar, search here Adobe Lightroom. So here you can see Adobe Lightroom is showing. Now click on it. So here you can see as I have already installed Adobe Lightroom. So this is showing as open. So in your case, this will show as install by clicking on it. You can download the Adobe Lightroom. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.